Gauss elimination method. In Gauss elimination method, we want to find out the value of unknowns in simultaneous equation. So let us take an example. So I am taking one example, that is x plus y plus z equal to 9 and x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 8 and 2x plus y minus z equal to 3. So I want to find out x, y and z value. Those values become satisfied to all the equation. Otherwise, our answer become wrong if it is unsatisfied for any one of the equation. So let write the coefficient of first equation. The coefficient of x is 1, write 1. Coefficient of y is 1, write 1. Coefficient of z is 1, write 1. And the RHS value is 9, write 9. In second equation, coefficient of x value is 1, coefficient of y is minus 2, coefficient of z is 3, write 3, and RHS value is 8. In third equation, the coefficient of x value is 2 and y value is 1 and z value is minus 1 and RHS value is 3. So write all the value. I want to eliminate lower diagonal element. What is meant by lower diagonal element means the element which is present below the principal diagonal elements are called lower diagonal element. The element present above the principal diagonal element are called as upper diagonal element. I want to eliminate first value in second equation and first and second value in third equation. So first I will reduce second row, so that's why I am using row reduce operation. So write R2 value. So R2, so take this value to this equation. So write first value which is present in the second equation, write in first, and the value which is present in the first row right here. So I want to reduce. First multiply this value, so write this value to this first row and first row value write into the second row index. So and multiply all the row element by 1. So write 1 into R2 minus 1 into R1. So similarly for R3, write R3. So write the starting value into this first equation and first row value into this third equation, and write 1 into R3 minus 2 into R1. Using this operation in every this type equation, you can use first element. Here the first element is 1. This value will multiply all the value which is present in first row. That is, this is 1, multiply all the row element by 1. Now here first row first element is 1, multiply 1 by all the second row element. Similarly for R3, R3 starting element is 2, write 2 to the first row, and first row first element is 1, write first row first element value to the third row and multiply all row value by 1 minus write the first row. Here also 1 into R2 minus 1 into R1. So using this operation, write R2 value. R1 become common because we are not write any value changing equation for R1. So write 1 first row as it is, 1 1 1 1 9. For R2, R2 is equal to R2 minus R1, means 1 R2 means R2, 1 R1 means R1. 1 minus 1 0, write 0, minus 2 minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3, write minus 3, and 3 minus 1, that is 2, write 2. 8 minus 9, that is minus 1, write minus 1. For R3, R3 is equal to 1 R3 minus R2. 1 R3, 1 value, R3 value is 2 minus 2 into R1 first element. So 2 minus 2, that is 0, write 0. For second, so 1 into R3, 1 into R3 value is 1. So 1 into 1 minus 2 into 1. So 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, write minus 1. For this R3 value, 1 into R3, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 minus 2 into R1 value, that is 1. So minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3, write minus 3. For this 1 into R3, 1 into R3 means 1 into 3 is 3 minus 2 into R1 means 9. 3 minus 2 minus 2 nines are 18, that is 3 minus 18, that is minus 15, right, minus 15. So our first intention is to eliminate second row first value and third row first value becomes 0. Now it is okay. Next we want to change third row second element. So here it is minus 1, here it is minus 3. So first I want to eliminate only this value. That's why you can write this value to the starting value to second row and second row first element to the third row. Next we write the row reduce operation for R3. So R3 is equal to first multiply all the value by minus 3 in third row. So minus 3 into R3. Next minus is common and minus 1 into R2. That is minus 3 R3 minus into minus plus R2. It is for R3. Using this, first row is common, so there is no change. So we are writing only for R3, that's why second row is common. So 0, minus 3, 2 and minus 1. For third row, we using this relation we operate for R3 row. So R3 is equal to minus 3, R3 value 0 plus R2 value 0. 3 minus 3 into R3 value 0, R2 value 0, that is 0, right, 0. For second one, minus 3, R3 value is minus 1 plus R2 value is minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3 minus plus into minus 3, that is 0, right, 0. So for third row, third column, so minus 3, R3 value is minus 3, right, minus 3 plus R2 value is 2. Minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9 plus 2, that is 11, right, 11. Next for this minus 3 into R3 value is minus 15 plus R2 value is plus of minus 1. Minus into minus plus 15 5s are 45 plus into minus 1, 45 minus 1 is 44. So now our intention is eliminate lower diagonal element to become 0. Now lower element diagonal element become 0. This is x value, this is y value, this is z value, this is RHS. Using backward substitution, I don't know the value of I want to find out the value of x, y, z. Using the backward substitution method, I want to find out the last from backward substitution. I using third equation, third row. Here 0 into x, 0x. So don't write x value here because 0 into anything is 0, 0 into y is 0, so eliminate it. 11 into z, that is 11z, RHS value is 44. 11z is equal to 44 means z is equal to 44 by 11, that is z is equal to 4. Next, using this you can find out y value. Here 0 into x is 0, minus 3 into y is minus 3y plus 2 into z is 2z is equal to RHS value is minus 1. Minus 3 into y, 3y plus 2 into z, 2 into 4 minus 1. Minus 3y plus 2 4s are 8 minus 1. Minus 3y equal to minus 8 minus 1 minus 3y equal to minus 9, y equal to 3. So x value, now I want to find out x value. Using y and z, I want to find out x value. 1 into x is 1x, write x. 1 into y, that is y, write y. 1 into z, that is z, and RHS value is 9. So x value I don't know, so write as it is. Y value is 3, write y value is 3, z value is 4. So and 9. X plus 7 equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 minus 7, that is 2. So x value is 2. So using this value you can check whether it is right or not. So x value is 2 and y value is 3 and z value is 4. 2 3 7 5 plus 4 9. So this is satisfy the first equation. Check for second also. X value is 2 minus 2 into y value is 3 plus 3 into z value is 4. 2 3s are 6, 3 4s are 12. 12 to 14 minus 6, that is 8. It is also satisfied. For third equation, x value is 2, y value is 3, z value is 4. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 minus 4, 4 get cancelled 3. So means x value and y value and z value.